Click on the subscribe button and press this bell icon. Friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Edition, and in this video we'll doing unboxing of this VR box. So as I said in my previous video, today we'll be doing this unboxing. So let's get started. So here is written that everything is possible if you change another eyes look into this world. Okay, so this is the VR box, and I'm using this VR box for around 4 months. So I'm just want to do this unboxing. So let's take this out. I have not done that Amazon unboxing. I'm just doing the inside package unboxing. Just take this off. I will just pause the video and then I'll continue. Then I open this box and I show it to you how does it looks. Okay, so I had open this box up, and here is this cardboard layer. This put this up this box, and here is the box. This box looks full. This box is fully white in color, and here is the VR box. As you can see here, I just showed you. So here is the VR box, and here is written virtual reality glasses. And let me just keep this in the side. So here's my VR box, and I'd buy this with this Bluetooth remote controller, and I get this around 400 rupees from Amazon. The link is in the description to buy this. So if you want to buy, you can get this there from Amazon. So let me just keep this inside this Bluetooth remote control. First we'll come to a VR box. So telling about this VR box, I'm using this from 4 months. This gives you can see the reality. If you put this in your eyes, it actually looks that you are in that video. Okay, so here you can put this your phone. There's a tray to put your phone. I'll just show you this. Just take out this, and so here is the tray. Here you need to put your phone. This can be the max size of this tray is I think 6 inch, because I put my 6-inch phone into this tray. You can use in this VR box into 6 inch. Okay, so here is this tray. You have to put the mobile inside this tray and just put this inside your VR box so that you can watch the videos. And what inside the box content that I want to tell you, that is here I got this a cloth to wipe the glasses here right there. As you can see here are the glasses. To wipe this, you can wipe this with this cloth, the glasses, and here you get some instructions, and here inside this I had got that cloth. I'd open this small package. Okay, and what else? Yes, here is some quick start, some instructions of this VR box, and let me just show you that. Okay, so here are the instructions, how to use it, how to assemble all that phones, how to put in that phone in your tray. Okay, so here are the some instructions. And what else? Nothing else do we get. We just get here this. I don't know what's this, but I got this inside this package. Okay, just kept this in a side. I'll just put all the contents again back. And let's come back to our VR box. So here is my VR box. So in this VR box you can also adjust the glasses. Let me show you that. So here, as you can see, here is some button given. So if they slide like this, the glasses also will slide. And if you want to adjust your glasses, if your glasses are coming near to your eyes, you can also adjust them to behind. If you want, you can put this behind. Let me just show you. Here, if I put this up here, you can see this glasses goes there inside, and if I take this goes backward. Okay, so forward and backward you can choose this, and as both this one, if you want the perfect angle to view, you can set this up. You can see it changes. And this one also you can slide the glasses. You can see it moves. So this is a better thing that you get in this VR box. And coming to our Bluetooth remote controller, and this Bluetooth remote controller, let's unbox this up and see. So here's my Bluetooth remote controller. So let me just unbox this up. From where I'd open this, I think from here. Yes, yeah. So let me just take this out. Okay, so here's the Bluetooth remote controller that you get in this packaging, and this remote controller is really very good. I'd using this remote for around, as I said, 4 months. It gives a better quality and everything is going nice. And these two batteries are not coming with this Amazon package. You have to buy. I'd buy this already 2 batteries, this 2 AAA battery, and so that you can put the batteries and you can use this Bluetooth remote controller. And here some are the instructions inside this. Let me just take this out. It's not coming, I think so. Yes, now it's gone. Actually, it's got stuck. Yes, finally it's come out. Okay, so here is it written in Chinese, and in the behind it's written in English. I'll just show you this. Okay. Here it's written in Chinese, as you can see here, and at the another side you can see here it's written in English. So here are the instructions of this Bluetooth remote controller, how to use it and all that stuff. So friends, that's it in this video. This was the unboxing of this VR box, and in my opinion this VR box is really good. You can get both this Bluetooth remote controller plus this VR box around 400 rupees. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I said. And bye bye, see you in the next video.